Well, good evening everybody. Welcome to the old channel here. Now, I'm on the way to Hayling Island. Just coming over the bridge here. And, of course, way, that is definitely drafty coming across there. That's knocking me about a bit. But this is the first time I've been to a Hayling Bike Night, so I ain't sure where I'm going. But I think it's round here. I think I just have to keep following. Just have to keep following the way in. I'll just have my picture taken. How cool's that? Have a mooch along here and see where it takes us, because I have no idea. Now, there is a bike behind me and we're moving on. Yeah, I'll follow him. He clearly knows where he's going. And that's definitely not doing 30 miles an hour. So I'll have a mooch along here and see how we get along. So, Hayling Bike Night, I was talking to somebody the other day and they were saying that last week, because the weather was nice, they had about 1,000 bikes here. That's impressive for a bike night. So I think I'll just have a mince along and see how we get on. So, yeah, I'm looking forward to quite a good evening. Although, I must say, the wind is a bit brassy. It is a bit breezy, to say the least. So, yeah, I'll catch you all in a bit. Hey look, there's some Vespers. Well, I think I found it. I think it's probably just about here. Well, that's where the other guys are going anyway. Yeah, I found it. Hey, that wasn't a bad guess at all. So here I am. I've arrived at Hayling Bike Night. So where's it going to stick us? Where are we going? Next to him? Well, here we are at Hayling Bike Night, and there is Rummy. People don't care, do they? They just don't care. So there she is at her first Hayling Bike Night. Already there are loads and loads of bikes here, and they're all starting to turn up. So as you can see, there's a bit of a draft. I'm not sure you can pick it up. You probably can actually pick it up on the mic, but we've got the cat on there. So this is just a quick look around where we are so far. Oh no, it looks like the Rozzers are here. Not after me, I wasn't going very quick. So this is what it is. Yeah, I reckon that's an Hayabusa, and that's just been confirmed. Now, Call me a cynic, but I think that number plate's a little bit on the risque side. So these used to be one of the most powerful bikes on the road in the day. Widow makers they called them, I think. Oh, someone's making a lot of noise. He could be in trouble with the old bill here. So they get to park all over the place. And there's some really fancy paint jobs as well. So what have we got here then? It's a green one. KTM's, Triumphs, Kawasaki's. We come down, we've got custom jobs. One I've not seen before. What else we got? I noticed the 6-cylinder thing coming in earlier. There you go. 2 Super Sports. CBXs. You don't see many of them about nowadays. And now you get 3 of them. They're like buses.
Hey?
Like buses.
Yeah, they are.
You wait for one and then 3 turn up. There's a Ninja. A little Yamaha. So Triumphs, we've got them all here. Yamahas. Lucky Strikes. Different paint jobs. V2 Panigale. Oh, with a glass clutch. Don't see that very often, glass clutches. So you can see the workings around here. Old Suzuki, Bandit, Tiger. So they're all there. Loads of different bikes here. ZZR, Ninja. That's so big, isn't it? A Guzzi, a motor Guzzi. Harleys, cool, blimey. Paintworks, the bright works bright on that one. Spends all his time polishing it. There's another big one. So there you go, this is what you get. So it's still early apparently. And the bikes just keep coming. They just keep coming in all the time. Cool, that seat doesn't look very comfortable at all. It looks like a Street Fighter, a V2 Street Fighter.